তোমরা আছো বলেই তো আমি করতে পারছি কাজ। Look at this. Look at the color. Kavita, enjoy. This is the blanket stitch, you know. We learnt in school days the blanket stitch. Comment করছো না কেন? Please do comment, friends. একলা একলা বললে আমি এক্ষুনি বন্ধ করে দেবো। একা একা করা যায়? Please do comment. Look at this. What happened? এটাও ভীষণ সুন্দর। These are also bullion stitches. Bullion gives that that effect. Look at this. और ये देखिए उभरा उभरा काम है थोड़ा, तो इसमें बहुत बहुत अच्छी लगती है। How do you find this, Joey? Joey, देखो एगुलो. These are all woven borders, and it is the lightweight, हल्की वाली है. This gives a tasser look. To tell you bluntly, एकदम ठीक ठाक. This gives you a tasser look. Not that it is tasser, but gives you that look. And I'm telling you several times, it is not pure. Pure नहीं है, but इसमें that slippery वाला rayon नहीं है. You can wear it. It gives you a good fall. Shall I pleat one of it and show you? Look. Me and my throat.